Hi, my name is John Craig, and this is my Sprint 3 progress report for my app All in the Plan. My major achievements for Sprint 3 are that I implemented a notebook page where you can create custom notes to place on your events. I implemented saving notes to Firebase and adding them to calendar events. I implemented events on week and daily views. I implemented the ability for the user to delete events from the calendar, and I implemented enhancements to the GUI. My first story is, as a user, I want to have a notebook so that I can make notes on my schedule. To demo this, I'm going to fire the app up. Okay. Resize this a bit so it's a little more viewable. Go ahead and log in. Okay, the acceptance criteria are the user can view a notebook page. So if you look here, you can see a notebook page. You can add a note with a title and note. This is a super cool note. The user can view saved notes. The user can delete a note, and then the note is saved and stored in Firebase. Let me show that real quick. There's the super cool note. The user can delete a note, so we'll do that. And it should be deleted out of Firebase. Don't know what happened there. There we go. It deletes the note. And the note is validated, so test note. This is my super cool note. And if I save, title's already used. So you can see that. And have I missed anything? Can view a notebook page, can add a note with title and note, can view saved notes, validated, deleted, saved, and stored. Okay, so that is that for that one. My next story is, as a user, I want to be able to add created notes to events in my schedule so that I can add things like shopping lists or workout plans. The user can add a note to an event during event creation. The user can view the note on the event. Okay, so let's just say, Thanksgiving shopping. Turkey to stuffing. We save that. Go to the calendar and we add an event. Call it Thanksgiving dinner. And I say Thanksgiving shopping. Okay, so there we go. I've added a note. The name of it is Thanksgiving Shopping. That's the title, the title of it. And there we go. There's Thanksgiving. And if you look at the event for that, here's the note, turkey and stuffing. So, as you saw, we added a note during event creation, and the user can view the note on the event. My next story is, as a user, I want to have a way to delete events so that I can cancel my attendance or otherwise change plans. Okay, so the acceptance criteria for that are the user can press a button to be navigated to an event deletion page. So if we look at this, all of the user's events are displayed on that event deletion page. The user can select an event to delete, and the event is deleted and removed from Firebase. So to show, as you see, I selected the event before I delete it. I'll show it to you here in Firebase. See, we have the event and the notes attached to it, and we can go ahead and delete that, and the event no longer exists. And for my last story, as a user, I want to have a good-looking user interface so that I can enjoy how the app looks and navigate it easily. So the menus are arranged so that they're easily navigable and make sense from a design perspective. So we have our monthly calendar view, a weekly calendar view, our daily calendar view. And if you look in these, you can cycle the months, you can add an event, delete an event, do the same in these. There are custom fonts, as you can see on these buttons, and a lot of other things. And there are pictures on the sign-in home screens to give some sense of what the app is about. So here is the home screen. And if we sign out, you can see the sign-in screen also has a nice welcoming image. We'll log back in real quick. And app bars and buttons have colors and designs. And as you can see, they pretty much do in every screen. So there we go. And that is my progress report for Sprint 4. Thank you very much.